The Roll Art Cover Series 3.5 is the best roll cover in the world for water protection.
And to put that to the test, we're going to do a quick tissue test. So now we've filled it up with tissues. Let's spray some water on it and see how we go. All right, so moment of truth. I'm going to open the roll top live. You guys can take a look through and see if any of the tissue's got extensive water. Just be mindful that some particles of water might drop from the curtain itself. Now, as you can see, besides a couple of droplets of water that came when the roll top opened, it looks pretty dry to me. For more information, www.hsplids.com.